世界は僕を飼いならしてたいみたいだ I love the color ng my pink things. We love hair girl, that's right. Ay, silhouette! Alam niyo ba to? Alam niyo ba ng silhouette? Favorite ko yan. Isenose. Kung favorite niyo yung Naruto, you would know this. I love this. We love silhouette and that's right. Jack, do you like Vocaloid? Actually, hindi ko pa napapakinggan yung Vocaloid, pero madalas kong pakinggan ay fairy tale songs. So let's search. Fairy tale openings. Ayan, ang ganda, di ba? Ito yung mga background songs natin. OMG! This is very nostalgic. Hikari Kimi no ashita de wa suyo